Hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking me, Michelle, we know you're a Beachbody coach, but how exactly did you get into it? Why did you become a Beachbody coach? And a lot of you think I just woke up one day and said, I'm going to become a Beachbody coach. I'm going to go out and help people. And truth be said, that's not what happened. I was actually on my own fitness journey when I got introduced to a Beachbody product called Shakeology. And I know what you're saying. It's just a protein shake. Trust me, I've tried every protein shake out there and the Slim Fast and all those products. I hated them. Absolutely hated them. I couldn't stand the taste. And so when I got presented with Shakeology, I was very skeptical. I was like, I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to like it. And I was told, just try it. And I did. And I loved it. I tried it for a month. Knew I was just going to do it for a month to see how I reacted. And I lost 15 pounds. I've never had any more energy like I've had when I'm on Shakeology, and I felt amazing. So I decided, I'm going to stay on this because I know what changes it has made in me. And so I did a little research, and I realized that coaches got discounts, and coaches save money. Now, I'm a music teacher by day, and so any way I can save money is the way for me to go. And so I became a coach solely for the discount. And as I continued my fitness journey, I realized that Beachbody has a bunch of products for me. TurboFire, P90X, Insanity, Asylum are some of my favorites. And I just continued on and I tried new programs and I found what fit for me. And then I realized, if this works for me, it's got to work for other people. And so I decided, let me start sharing it with other people. And I did. And all of a sudden, I had people wanting to join me in my workout journeys. And they wanted to join me. And I created these challenge groups where 5 people all got together and they supported each other. And it was phenomenal. And I realized, hey, this is what a coach does. They literally offer support. We help those reach their goals, whether it is to lose weight, whether it's to build muscle, whether it's just to get fit. And the best part is, I don't have to know them. I don't have to be in the same city as them. They can be all across the nation, all across the world. In my last challenge group, I had someone from Vegas, I had someone from California, I had someone from Michigan, and I had a couple people from Florida just by me. And it was phenomenal. The support they offered to each other brought tears in my eyes. I absolutely loved it. And that's what I do as a coach. As I pay it forward. People have helped me on my journey and now I help them. So I hope that answered some of your questions about what I do as a Beachbody coach and why I became a Beachbody coach. If you are on your own fitness journey, you have questions, or you just need support, by all means, send me a message. You can Facebook me, Twitter me, or message me on email, and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for listening, guys.